So recently, I used ChatGPT to make money with ChatGPT online. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I did this step by step. So I made over $3,000 using the ChatGPT AI software. And all I did was two things with ChatGPT to make this money. And it's really easy to understand. And I'm going to take you through this step by step so you don't miss out on any information. And I'm going to show you the tools that I used to make this money. Now, this money was made in around about 2 days, and I just did this randomly to see if ChatGPT could actually make me some money, and it actually worked out way better than I thought, and it's an extremely really good method to make money online right now with ChatGPT. So you are going to want to potentially jump onto this method before everybody else does. So let's jump into this video, and I will show you exactly how I made over $3,000 with ChatGPT online in a couple of days. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used ChatGPT to go ahead and make some money online. Now, when I did this, I did not plan this at all. What I did is I essentially just woke up one day and I thought, I want to make some money. And I thought, I'm going to try and use ChatGPT to go ahead and do that because I was actually doing a tutorial on ChatGPT at the time. And I was feeling a little bit lazy, so I went ahead and made some money using ChatGPT. And I want to show you everything step by step in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. We have a little bit to cover here, and I think at the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how powerful ChatGPT is and how you can use it to go ahead and make money in your own business online. So let's get started on how I made this money right here. So the first step is obviously I needed ChatGPT. You can go ahead and get that at openai.com, and that is ChatGPT. Another thing you will need, and what I use all the time in my business, is an email marketing software. I use one called GetResponse. I will leave a link below. It is an affiliate link. You can get a free account, or you can go ahead and get a paid account to get more features. And right now they have 40% off. So make sure you go and check that out if you want to get your account right now. I would recommend grabbing one, even if you plan to just use it in the future, because 40% off is insane. And you can go ahead and get that right now. I will leave a link in the description. So these are the only two tools you are going to need for this tutorial, and this is exactly what I use to make the money. Now the next step is we need something called the bait. Now we are going to talk about all of the traffic at the end of this video on how I got the traffic, but we first need to talk about how I created this funnel and how I made this money. So we need to create something called the bait. Now the bait in this case was an ebook. So I gave away a free ebook. Now this is going to depend on the niche that you're in, but I did this in the make money online niche, and this is the ebook right here. It's about affiliate marketing. Now this ebook has been made with ChatGPT, but it was edited by me as well, so it's not 100% ChatGPT. So you aren't going to be able to get something that is 100% made and then you go ahead and just give that away, because you obviously have to add pictures and things like that. But a lot of this was made with ChatGPT, and you can go ahead and just use Google Documents to keep it. You don't need to go and make a nice cover or anything like that. You can just use Google Documents. So what you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT, and you want to go and put in, so you're going to be giving away a free ebook. Now, the reason you're going to be giving away a free ebook is to get what we call a lead. So a lead is an email address, and it'll all make sense in a minute. But I'm going to kind of just do what I did, and I'm going to say, write me a ebook about how to do affiliate marketing in 5 steps. We'll say, write me a 3,000 word ebook, just because it'll take a while to write the words that were in my original one, because it's quite long. Write me a 3,000 word ebook about how to do affiliate marketing in 5 steps and make money online. So we'll let it do that. And I'm just going to let it do its thing, right? And we'll come back. But essentially, what you do is you use ChatGPT to write you a general ebook, and then you go ahead and you edit it. Now, we are going to be using ChatGPT to do more stuff in this method, but this is the first step, okay? So you'll see that in my book, I have these like steps, okay? So step 1 is finding the right product, and then step 2 is finding the right traffic, and that's essentially what ChatGPT is doing right now. It's a shorter version, but it is giving us the 5 steps to do affiliate marketing. Now, this is going to work in all types of different niches. You will need to, it really depends on the niche that you want to get into, but you essentially just change out affiliate marketing for whatever niche. It could be fishing, traveling, fitness. But we'll talk more about that at the end when we talk about the traffic. Now, once ChatGPT has given you your book, you can get them to make it longer or whatever. You actually don't need a very long book. This is actually fine. Remember, this is a free thing that you're giving away for free. So once you have your book, go and put it into Google Documents, okay? Super easy. That's all you need to do. The next step is you need to go into your email marketing software. In this case, we are going to be using GetResponse. And GetResponse can do everything that we need. If we go to Tools, you can see that it can make us forms. Now, these forms we actually use to go ahead and collect somebody's email to give away the book for free. And I'll show you an example of that right now. So on this page, I send people to this page and I get their email and I give them the book for free. I'm going to show you a diagram soon on how this works. Now, I'm not using GetResponse for this page, but you can make stuff like this. And I'll show you how right now. So the next step after you create the book is you want to go ahead and create a list. Now this list, what I will do is I'll actually give you a full tutorial on GetResponse below that takes you through everything step by step. I'm going to give you a basic overview right now. The tutorial below takes you through everything that you need to know about GetResponse and setting it up. But this is a very basic overview. What you want to do is you want to go and create list and name that list, okay? So I'm going to name this list YouTube test 3. Okay, just whatever that is. Now, this list is going to have nobody on it, but we are going to build this list. Now, I will explain to you how many people I sent my emails to and stuff like that in a minute. So we're going to have this list here. Then you want to go to Tools, and let me just go create it on. Yeah, so there's our list, right? YouTube best 3, our 0 contacts. Then we want to go here. We want to go to Forms, okay? If we want to create a new form where we are going to collect an email, create form. Keep in mind, this is a very basic tutorial on how to use GetResponse. I would recommend my tutorial below. Now, we are going to pick a basic one here. I actually like this one here, use template. So there's actually templates you can use, okay? There's a lot of like, just keep it basic. Just keep it basic. No pictures, no nothing, because it loads faster. Just keep it basic. So I'm actually going to go off this one right here, use template. Now, you need to do a title that is relevant to what you're giving away for free. So for example, how I make a full-time income online without my own products, because I do make a full-time income online by promoting other people's products, and that's called affiliate marketing. So the next step is I'm just going to change this to, so you can move all of this, right? I'm just going to keep this really simple. Download my free affiliate marketing book. Okay. Now, like I said, this is a very basic version of what you can do. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty simple. We can get rid of this. Awesome. We can just put that up there, move that around. Super easy, right? We did that in like not even 20 seconds. So now what we want to do, we keep it like that, is we want to go to settings. You can name it here and then choose list, okay? Our one was YouTube test 3, okay? We do not want to add them to a cycle. That is not what we want to do. And we're not adding them to any sort of automation right now. We're just creating a list. And then what we're going to do is we're going to save it. Actually, sorry. Choose thank you page. We need to go to custom. And what we need to do is we need to go and put a link to our affiliate marketing book. So what I would do is I would go share. Now my email pops up, so I'm not going to show that, but I've got the link. I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to go ahead and post that into here. So what happens is when people put their email in, they are going to get redirected to that book that they get for free, and I'm going to get their email address, and I'll show you how that works in a second, and then I'm going to go save. I'm going to get this link. GetResponse will host my form. Copy. This link is where we send people to go ahead and collect the email. They're going to be taken to that page. There we go. So this is kind of what it starts to look like. We send people to that page, we collect their email, and we start to build a list. Now, once we start to build a list, we can then promote products to them where we get a commission. So what I did is I actually had a bigger list because I've actually been promoting my affiliate book for some time now. What I did is I took the most active people out of that list, because you can do all that. Technology is crazy, which is around 1,352. I only promoted to that many people and made over $3,000. This was just a random test. I woke up and just was like, I want to make some money. I'm going to use ChatGPT. So now let's talk about the next step and how you actually make money once you start building up that list. And remember, I'll talk about traffic soon at the end of the video. The next step is you want to go to a website called muncheye.com. Now, on this website, there is products that are getting released every single day, mainly software and making money online. If you want stuff about fitness and all that sort of stuff, I recommend going to a website called clickbank.com. They have multiple products that you can go ahead and promote in different niches. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to randomly click one of these, okay? So what happens is I click this one here called Profile Mate. It's getting released on the 7th of March. They are selling it for $47 to $67, and I get a 50% commission on any sale. Okay, so literally I don't do any work, I just send the traffic. Now, they have a $10,000 prize pool, and let's just click on this because this will give us more information. So the JV page is where we go. What we're going to be doing here is we are going to go ahead, and this is all of the information that we need. Now, ignore the November and stuff because I think they did another launch. They haven't updated their page yet. But what this is a tool on how to grow Instagram, okay? Super easy tool on how to grow Instagram. And what happens is we go ahead and we grab our affiliate link. So we get an affiliate link. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's really easy. You just go get your JVZoo link and you find out when the product is releasing, and then you start promoting when that product releases, and they have prize pools. So if the more leads you send them, the more money you make, you get prizes. You could potentially win prizes. So we're not going to dive too deep into that, but what you want to do is you want to read what the product is, what it does. So I'm going to quickly glance over this. I have no idea what this product does, but I'm assuming what it does, let's just say it helps you grow on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to create emails for me that I'm going to go and send out to my list that I have built up. So this is the ebook. We've done that. Cool. So I'm going to go, write me a 300-word email on how to grow. What this has done is has given us some tips on how to grow your profile, right? So this might not be the best what we're trying to do, but you can edit it. So I did edit all of my emails. Around about 70% of my emails were ChatGPT content. I edited them, played around with them and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to ask ChatGPT to write you some emails that we're going to go and send when this particular product actually launches. You're not going to send it right now, okay? So, and you're going to get your link. So what you need to do is you need to find out the dates. These dates are wrong, okay? You can email them or find a product that actually has the proper dates. Like there's so many products you can go ahead and promote. So the next thing is, this product, for example, or the one that I promoted was open for 2 weeks. So I had a 2-week window to promote the specific product, okay? So what I did is I took the ChatGPT content, so this is it right here, and I went ahead and created 4 emails. I actually did a lot more emails, and I'll explain kind of why I only focus on 4. But this is the content here, right? So let me give you a breakdown of what I did. What I did is I had a list of 1,300 people. I sent 4 emails over 2 days. And in those emails, I had links to the product where I got a 50% commission if someone purchased that product. On day 1, I sent 2 emails that were identical. The only difference is one of them had a picture and one of them didn't. The reason why is because usually if you don't have a picture, it doesn't go to spam box, or not as many go to spam box. And I've tested this. This is the correct theory. So I always send one without an image and one with an image. Okay. Now on day 1, I also sent a few more other emails for testing. Now I haven't added them into this because it doesn't really matter. You can send as many emails as you want. So I probably sent many more, but these are the 4 main ones that I sent. On day 2, on day 2, I've moved this around. On day 2, I sent an email saying, hey, did you get my emails yesterday? Just in case you didn't or you're busy, here's another link. And then I sent another email on day 2 saying, sign up to this. So what happened is the product actually released another training. So I sent that, okay? So that's what I did. 4 main emails and probably like another 5 or 6 emails, just testing and things like that. But these were the 4 main emails. Now, just from 2 days worth of work, okay? Now, I will admit that the ebook obviously will take a longer time to create and creating the forms. You're probably looking at a few days to actually set all of this up. And then depending on how you get your traffic, it could be weeks or months. Just depends on how you get the traffic, right? But I made all of this money just by specifically, apart from the 400, I think. And I think that was actually included. Now, the reason the sales are different on different weeks is because I didn't get all of the money on the 2 days, right? The emails, sometimes people read them 3 or 4 days later, things like that. It was over about 3 weeks, but I only did 2 days worth of email sending. And then what happens is essentially people buy those products. Now, the reason I got a small amount of people from my main list is because they were the most active. So they're going to give me the best results. They're going to give me the best analytics that I can work from for future promotions. So what happens is we use ChatGPT to create our bait. We then create a list where we collect email leads and we give away our free book. And then we go ahead and use ChatGPT to make money by sending out emails and promoting other people's products like ProfitMate here. ProfileMate, I should say. Now, you can find hundreds of products that are getting released all the time on muncheye.com, or you can use clickbank.com that also has an amazing selection of products that you can promote. Now, your next question might be, where do you get the traffic? So my main traffic source is my YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel right here, and you can see. Now you might think, oh, but you have lots of subscribers and all that sort of stuff. I actually only link this book in a few videos. I don't link it very much at all. So free book, Start a Business, okay? And here it goes. And you got to remember, everyone starts with 0 subscribers, so that argument isn't even valid. And there's also lots of other niches as well. But YouTube is the main place where people promote their books. So if we actually go make money online, and I bet you I click on one of these videos, this guy here, for example, I'm not sure who this is. He's got links to things, okay? He's got links to things. There's probably a free book in there. He's got a lot of stuff. Let's just maybe try find a cleaner example, maybe. Let's try this guy here. It's like, he had way too much stuff in his. So here we go, free YouTube training. Join my course. So that's a much better example. So free YouTube training, he probably gives away some sort of webinar or some sort of training, and then he sells a product later on down the line. Now he's selling his own product, but it doesn't matter. It works the same. Affiliate marketing, selling your own product. The only difference is with your own product, you get 100% of the profits. With an affiliate product, you get 50%, usually around about 50%. If we look at muncheye.com, it's all 50, 60, pretty much that's what it is, 50 or 60. All right, guys, so that's how I went ahead and used ChatGPT to make money online. I created the ebook of ChatGPT and edited it. I created the emails of ChatGPT and edited them a little bit, but that is a great way that you can go and use AI technology to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out.